decided. As you can see, both these men are getting a little more aggressive and going after it. We saw a lot of action, a lot of heavy action in the first 3 rounds, 4 rounds, and then it slowed down a little bit in the fifth, sixth, with Jason taking control all over again. But in the last fight, in the last round, Nutlai came in like a crazy man, trying to end that fight with the combinations. I think that round would go to Nutlai, the last one.
Yeah, that's round we give to Nutlai.
Yeah, but it's a tough fight to score because I don't know how they're scoring. Again, that big overhand right.
Nikopa fight.
Jason trying to come in, catch him with some combinations. But Nutlai will not be denied. He's stepping in with everything he's got. He's trying to land that left hook overhand.
You know what? Like I was telling you before, yeah? If
Sorry to cut you off, Nick.
Oh!
Jesus, they're getting stuck in with these shots. Again, that beautiful, big left hand. It's just, ladies and gentlemen, you have to see this from where we're sitting. We can hear every thud, every smack.
What a body shot.
And you can see Jason trying to clinch with that hand immediately to stop the action because that body shot would have done some damage. And now the referee admonishing him saying, do not lock the arm.
I don't know what Nutlai ate from the corner.
Oh, he's woken up with a different feel. And look at that head movement. He got out of a 10-punch combination. 1-2 by Jason, and he's egging him on. It's just his aggression. I think he just knows now. It's got 6 minutes remaining in this fight. I'm going to step in,
and his belt is on the way.
And his belt is on the line, and it's a big opportunity, and he wants to be champion. Both these men want to be champion.
Both men, they want to be champion.
If it was up to me, both men should deserve the belt, honestly. But that's not how it works.
Oh my God.
God.
Good combination from Nutlai.
On a double body shot. Both these men, incredible action in front of us. They are going for broke, ladies and gentlemen. Neither man is giving each other a moment to breathe. Body shot after body shot after body shot. What are they made of?
What a good night. Good job from Nutlai.
Man, what a
And he doesn't look like he's done anything, man.
No, he's not even breathing heavy. He's smiling. He's having a good time. And this is what he wants. He wants to shove him into a corner. But man, don't tell me that last flurry, which was incredible, didn't take a lot of energy out of these men.
Nothing.
Beautiful combination by Jason. Nothing.
Oh my God.
Look at them go. Both of them. Body shot.
Some punches.
Body shot after body shot after body shot.
I didn't even hear the bell.
Oh man, nobody heard the bell. I don't know what's happening anymore because both these men have decided that this fight is not going to the judges' scorecard.
If you haven't been in Ukraine, if you never gone to a war,
this is a war that we are seeing in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. It is pure fire and fury.
Real men at work. Real men at work.
Real men at work.
I've never seen such kind of energy.
I've never seen this kind of, I mean, at one point they were just body shot after body shot after body shot. I just don't, and it's just, Nutlai was hit so many times, so many counters. It doesn't, I think it's, it's true, after a point you get numb. And I think he's so numb that he doesn't feel it coming.
He doesn't feel the pain now.
He doesn't feel the pain. He'll feel it tomorrow. But right now, he's in the zone. He's got 3 minutes of fire remaining.
We go to the last round of the 10.
Oh, you think it's going to go to the judges? Yeah.
Of course it's going to be to the judges. These guys, they don't look like they're going to give up.
They're not going to knock each other out. But
no
if it
way.
happens,
They
I've
can.
seen it happen in the 10th round. It can happen. Anything can happen in the sport.
This is a fight that is going to give the judges a hard time.
This is going to be a tough fight to score because it's close. It's really close. And Jason again taking the lead here. He's using that reach and length of his. But Nutlai stepping into the pocket. That's a slip. That's a slip. That's a slip. That's not a knockdown. Yes, that's a great job by the referee.
That's a good job. That's
a very good job by the referee. He noticed, he knew it was a slip and not a knockdown.
That's right.
But this is getting very, very interesting now.
That's a good job from the referee.
left, right. And now Nutlai comes back to the fight. Jason doing everything in his power to keep him off him.
Oh my God. This
God.
is the real fight. This is the real
Good
fight.
God.
If you've never seen a fight,
I've never seen someone throw down like that. This is...
and the guy that don't look even tired.
Oh, big overhand right. He hurt him. Oh, wow. He's got him backing up. Oh, man. Nutlai got him with that huge right hand. But the recovery of Jason Mason. But Nutlai smells blood. He knows he's got him on the ropes.
Jason doing a good job. Nutlai doing good job.
Oh, my God.
Both.
How do you score a winner?
Oh my God. Oh, real fire here.
Incredible. That's a knockdown.
That's a knockdown.
No, he's calling it a slip. According to me, it was a knockdown. It was a knockdown. Because
Oh my God.
he ate 4 punches and he went down on one knee. But what is Nutlai's chin made of? It's just something as huge.
These guys, they need, both of them, they really need to take the belt at home.
It's my God. Both these guys should get the belt because I've never seen this kind of fire.
Oh,
Big combination from Jason. You know what? I need to review that. I think that was a knockdown.
that was a knockdown for me.
Yes.
That was a knockdown for me.
I mean, I think he got lucky that the referee thought it was a slip. But you can see the pace slowing down. Both these men have given it their
They have
all.
given all the best. They're
It's-
real. These are warriors.
This is, oh my God, I have no more words. I'm losing my voice. And both these men, the respect and admiration, the effort that they've put in, the amount of punches, the punishment that they've taken, all for the quest for
They are
winning
real
that
warriors.
belt. The WBC Asia Continental Light Flyweight title belt. And man, oh man, there is no quit in either warrior.
Oh my God. This was a real fight.
It is an incredible fight about to come to a close and neither man is backing down.
Nobody is backing down. No one is slowing down. The same speed from the first round we started.
Exactly.
It's the same speed they have.
If anything, I think it's become crazier now. Oh my God. Boy, what are these men made of? I can't repeat myself enough.
Oh my God.
Big uppercut there by Jason. And that is the end of the fight. What a fight, ladies and gentlemen. What a fight. Incredible action for 10 rounds. Amazing. I have no words. It's just spectacular. And look at these men.
One of the
These
best
men
fights.
are spent. You can see the fatigue on their faces. But not for once did they let go of that opportunity to become the WBC Asia Continental Flyweight title holders.
Now
wow.
we go to the
Well, now we go to the judges' scorecard. It's going to be a tough one because you see from the replay, both these men gave it their all. Yes, it got a little
They did a
sloppy in
very
the last
good
2 rounds, but it got more and more frenetic. It got more and more crazy, and we can see both fighters gave it. It's a battle for a belt. It's a battle for glory, and that's what we get in the main event of a DJMC boxing promotion. Man. I mean, you know what? Win, lose, or draw, both these men are winners.
They
here.
did.
Both these men
They
are
are
winners.
warriors.
I
They are
don't care.
warriors.
I don't care. Give
care.
them both the belt.
yes.
Make it a draw, and then they
Make it
fight
a draw.
again.
Yes. They did a very good, incredible job.
And
They did
whoever the winner is, I don't care. I think both these men can rematch down the line.
That's
They
right.
can absolutely rematch down the line because they're so evenly
They are
matched.
That's right.
2 different styles clashing. One technical, one more of a brawler. Incredible scenes, incredible performance. People are on their feet. Wow.
And they don't look tired.
And yeah, that's just a secret. I don't know what's in the water, but yeah, and he's not even tired. He's not even breathing. Look, by now I would have been. One of my lungs would have been out of the body. I would be coughing that hard. This guy's not even breathing heavy. I mean, it's incredible.
They did a great job. Both fighters were
Incredible job.
on peak from
Incredible.
the first round to the last round.
Wow.
For me, if I was a judge,
This is why I'm not a judge.
yes, it would be so hard.
Oh man, it's going to be something. The judges have a tough one. This is going to take some time to figure out, but I think that we might have reached a decision because Jared Kyle has that paper in his hand.